Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix iPhone camera blinking, glitching. So, the first thing we can do is make sure to the iPhone updated. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Then update your iPhone if there are updates available. If after updating the software the problem still occurs, then you should also not be too worried because this may not a hardware error but simply software or some feature has a problem. If you experience this phenomenon when getting close to any object, the cause is most likely because the iPhone switches from wide-angle shooting mode to super wide angle. What you need to do is simply turn off the auto macro mode on the device. To do this, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Scroll down until see Macro Control and turn the switch off. After turning it off, test your camera. If your iPhone camera blinking continues to occur, you can turn it back on by going to Settings and Camera again. In addition, this phenomenon can also occur when the exposure ability has problems with too bright light during shooting. At that time, the smartphone camera could not keep the exposure automatically or find the correct light balance, causing flickering on the shooting screen. To fix this, you need open the camera app and select the down arrow icon located in the upper corner of the screen. A variety of features and settings will appear on the home screen. You need select the icon with plus and minus signs to open exposure settings. Here, you drag the exposure bar with your finger until the shot is clearer and the flare disappears. Finally, try restart iPhone. According to some users on iPhone forums, this problem will be fixed after restarting the iPhone. Therefore try this. If your iPhone has Face ID, press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button together and then drag the slider. If you have a home button, press and hold the side button, then drag the power off slider. Wait for your iPhone to turn off. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If this problem does not go away, the device's hardware is most likely damaged. Therefore, you need to bring it to the shop for repair. That's it guys. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.